Development. Meaning of development. Development means growth or progress. It includes improvement in income, living standards, health, education, freedom, and equality. Different people, different goals. Development goals vary from person to person. For example, a landless laborer wants more days of work and better wages. A girl from a conservative family wants more freedom and education. A businessman may seek high profits and good infrastructure. Goals may be conflicting. Industrialist versus displaced villagers in big projects. Development is subjective and depends on people's aspirations and priorities. Income and other goals. Income is an essential component of development, but non material things are equally important, like respect, dignity, for freedom, equality, and security. For example, job security and safe working conditions are an important are as important as salary. A real measure of development includes material or income and non-material aspects. National development refers to the overall growth and improvement of a country. It involves economic growth, GDP, per capita income, social progress like health, education, sanitation, infrastructure development. National development may vary based on who is benefiting and how resources are distributed. Comparing different countries or states. Criteria used by World Bank. Per capita income means average income per person. Per capita income is equal to total national income divided by population. Measured in US dollars, that is triple P method, World Bank classification 2022-23. High income countries greater than or having the income of greater than 13,845 US dollar. Low income countries having less than 1085 US dollar. India's per capita income in 2022 is 2500 US dollar, which means lower middle class or lower middle income. Limitation. Per capita income does not reflect inequality or overall well-being. State comparison. For example, Kerala versus Haryana versus Bihar. In the states, per capita income in rupees, infant mortality rate, literacy rate, net attendance ratio. In Kerala, 1,55,912 rupees, 10 and 94% literacy rate and infant mortality rate is 10 and net attendance ratio is 83%. In Haryana, 2,26,644 infant mortality rate is 30, then 82% and 61%. In Bihar, 54,624 and 35, 61% and 43. So Kerala performs better in health and education despite lower income than Haryana. Public facilities and quality of life. Public facilities play a crucial role in development. It including safe drinking water, health care, schools and education, transport and sanitation. Not everyone can afford private services, hence public services are necessary. A higher income does not guarantee a better life without good public services. Human Development Report, that the HDR, published by UNDP, United Nations Development Program, uses Human Development Index HDI to measure development. Indicators used: per capita income, triple P in dollar, life expectancy at birth, mean years of schooling. HDI table snapshot 2023-24. In the country Sri Lanka, 11,899, life expectancy is 76.6, mean years of schooling 11.2, HDI rank is 78. In India, 6,951, 67.7, 6.5, 134 rank. Bangladesh, 6,511, 73.7, 7.4, 129. Pakistan, 5,374, 66.4, 4.5, 164. Nepal, 4,026, 70.5, 4.9, 146. Sri Lanka outperforms India in all indicators despite being a smaller country. Sustainability of development. Sustainable development means meeting the needs of the present without compromising future generations. Development should not deplete natural resources or harm the environment. For example, 1. Groundwater. Overuse in Punjab, Western UP, urban areas. 300 districts saw water levels drop 4 plus meters. If trend continues, 60% of India may overuse groundwater in 25 years. Example 2. Crude oil. Non-renewable resource. Global reserves may last 50 years. India depends on oil imports, vulnerable to price hikes. Crude oil is vital, but unsustainable use can lead to economic and political tensions. Environmental degradation. Pollution, deforestation, soil erosion, and climate change harm development. Environmental problems do not respect borders. Collective action needed at local, national, and international levels. Importance of sustainability in development. Natural resources must be used wisely and fairly. Quoting Mahatma Gandhi, "The earth has enough resources to meet the needs of all, but not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person." Limitations of averages. Averages help compare but hide inequalities. For example, if 3 families earn 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees and 7,000 rupees, the average is 5,000 rupees. A fourth family earning 10,000 or 2,000 will affect average but not show actual income gaps. Key takeaways. Development is multi-dimensional. Per capita income is useful but incomplete. HDI gives a broader picture. Sustainability is crucial for future well-being. Public facilities and environmental care are essential for real progress.